What's the least Muslim country in the world? The country with lowest percentage of Muslims in Europe is Latvia. Only 0.02% of its population is Muslim and it's the ninth least Muslim country. In Asia it is South Korea and only 0.04% of its population adhere to Islam. Eswatini is the least Islamic country in Africa, and the country with lowest proportion of Muslims in the entire world is the South American country of Ecuador.